Yes, welcome to my channel again, guys. And today we're going to do how to make longer videos on YouTube. Of course, YouTube will only give you permission to make videos that are under 15 minutes, so you cannot make videos that are longer than 15 minutes if you are not verified. I will take you to steps on how to make your account be verified. It's very simple. So direct to the point, I will go straight to the icon on the top right side, the profile icon, and I will click it and go straight to your YouTube studio. In your YouTube studio, it will direct you to we're going straight to YouTube settings, and from here, this is the place where you can upload videos and to YouTube. Now on the left side at the bottom there are the setting link. Click on the setting, and in the setting we are going to make video that is 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours be uploaded on YouTube. It's very simple. So there is general, channel, upload, permission, community, agreement. So all these are settings in the YouTube. So we'll go straight to channel. So in the channel we have features also. This is how you want YouTube to pay you after the approval of monetization. This is where you put your keywords, but we are not, this is not the part that we want. We have advanced setting also to set how YouTube maybe would like to your account to be. Then the next one, we have future eligibility. This is what we want now. For you to upload videos that are more than 15 minutes, you need to be approved. So you will go to straight to intermediate features. This is where you need to verify your mobile phone number for you to be able to be approved. So you will click on mine is already approved. Okay, so I am eligible to uploading videos that are more than 15 minutes. So you will go and click the arrow that is pointing down. Then in this part you will enter your details. You will need to enter your details on YouTube. After your details have been captured with YouTube, there's no details here. It's just your mobile number. After inputting your mobile number, then you will click send. Then a code will be sent to your mobile phone. Then the code in your mobile phone will be needed for verification here. So after you've verified your mobile number, YouTube will put these ticks here. Standard features enabled. The standard feature is the video that is more than 15 minutes. Then next we have verify phone number. For your number to be verified, this is the same process. So you enter your mobile number. Mine has already been approved, so I don't have that procedure. I don't know if my other YouTube channel can do that. Let me check if I am able to do that on my other YouTube channel. The browser has hanged, so let me go back. Here. So if you have these two ticks, it means that you are verified. But if you've never verified your account, you need to do so. Also, you see down here advanced features. Mine is pending still, but you don't have to care about this one. You can do it some other time, but ensure intermediate features are enabled. Mine is enabled for you to be able to upload videos that are more than, or videos that are longer than 15 minutes. Custom thumbnails, also live streaming. You can live stream for 2 hours, 3 hours, more than 15 minutes, because your mobile number is verified and is enabled. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe so that we will be doing more videos. Click on the bell button, and also don't hesitate to comment on the comment section. Thank you.